How to clear chat history on Google Gemini. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to clear chat history on Google Gemini. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Gemini app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the menu icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And once you do that, this will open the sidebar where your previous conversation are stored. Now here you can simply scroll through your chat history and locate the conversation that you want to remove. And now here once you've found that, what you can do is you can just press and hold on the chat, and once you do that, a pop-up menu will appear. In that menu, you can just tap on delete to remove the conversation. And now here when prompted, you can just tap confirm and the selected chat and its associated activity will be deleted from the app. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.